How to make Git not prompt for passphrase or SSH key. I'm using gitbash and I set up SSH key using SSH keygen, and each time I do something with a repo Git ask me for passphrase for /c/users/gen_ky/.ssh/id_rsa. Is there a way to disable that passphrase? Edit. I've edited original title, removed Windows, since I've just used fresh install of Ubuntu on my work laptop, and when SSH key have passphrase it always ask for it, and the solution to fix this is the same. This probably work the same on Mac OS X, that is also Unix, and use same basic tools.
You can run this in gitbash, Windows WLS or bash on real GNU/Linux. It will ask for passphrase in the second command, and that's it. Each additional action you will need to do, which once required passphrase, won't ask you for the passphrase. See an example in the screenshot below.
A slightly better and permanent solution is to auto-launch the SSH agent when opening the gitbash on Windows. You can copy/paste the below in your profile or bash root. I prefer to put it on the profile. This solution was taken from this GitHub help article.
TDLR for Windows users. Run ssh add c:\. For example, I see this all the time. Note the inconsistent path separators. The SSH agent converts using Unix path separators, but Git uses Windows path separators instead. Given that the path of the id_isa file is used as key, this explains why the cache is missed. Another difference is c:/ instead of /c/. Related remark: when Git asks you for the passphrase, it won't be cached, so you can be entering it there indefinitely. Try passing the phrase to SSH add only. On Windows, assume that is multi-valued, so it's best to be explicit. SSH add looks at default locations like ~/.ssh/it_isa. On Windows, assume that's ambiguous. Explicitly pass in the explicitly formatted path instead of relying on default paths. SSH add c:\.
I'm not sure if I want to recommend it, but when you create the key and ask to set password, just hit enter and skip the password. Have a look at this link for how to use SSH keygen, this URL. Perhaps SSH agent can help you somehow. But not sure without knowing your current system.